What's up guys, Jake here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to install mods. So what you're going to want to do is go to the Forge page, and you're going to want to find the version of Forge that you're installing, that you want. So I'm going to get my Minecraft Forge 1.7.10. So what you're going to want to do is click on the Windows installer if you have a Windows computer. So yeah, sorry guys that the video might be a little bit out of sync with my voice or something, because it's just because I was trying to do my voice, like record my voice, but it's like with Bandicam while I was editing, but I have to do a voiceover because it didn't do it. So what you're gonna want to do is click skip, because I can't guarantee you guys that these ads are safe. Like, just do not click on them because it says not secure on the page. So you're gonna want to click skip, because they're not, it's not secure. So please do not click on any of these ads, because I'm sure you could get a virus or malware or something else on your computer. That's really bad, and I don't want that to happen to any of you guys. So please do not click on any of this, guys. So yeah, so what you're gonna want to do after you click skip, you should get like a download thing, but since I already have it, yeah, it's right down there. What you're gonna want to do now is, since you downloaded it, you're gonna want to go to the mod you want. So I'm getting the Mythical Creatures mod from 9minecraft.net. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to scroll down. You just keep scrolling until you find something that says download from server 1 or download from server 2. You can click on either download from server 1 or 2. I just clicked on server 1. I think, yeah, I clicked on server 1, but it's like, they're both the same thing, but you're gonna just wait for it to download. Okay? So you're just gonna wait for it to download. And yeah, so what you're gonna want to do now is, once it downloads, like, I don't need to do that. I can just press X because I already downloaded the mod and the forage. So yeah, just gotta click that. Yeah, I already downloaded forage, so I don't add the mod, so I don't have to do it again. Once you're done, though, you can just click out of all your pages. Then you're gonna want to click install client, not server or anything else, just client. Okay, so then click OK, and then it's just gonna take a long time to load. Like for me, it just took a long time. I don't know why, but it's just, yeah, this bar is just not getting, like, it just won't do anything. So guys, yeah, it's taken a long time, guys, sorry. And yeah, the video is probably, like my voice is probably out of sync with the video. The reason for that, guys, is because I have to do a voiceover, just what I told you guys before. I have to do a voiceover for some reason. Yeah, because it's like the thing, it won't record my voice, Bandicam, which is so annoying. And I can't use Fraps, guys, because it doesn't work on Windows 10 for some reason. I don't know why, it just doesn't work on Windows 10. So once this is done installing, which for me it's taken like 20 years. Come on, hurry up! I don't got all day. Hurry up! Come on, come on! Oof. Come on! Gotta hurry up! I'm making a video here. I have a strict deadline, and yeah, I have a strict deadline, and I want to get this video out. And yeah. I want to get it out. Come on, green bar, you can do it. I think I can. 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 Totally not an SML reference. Okay, so now it's done installing. So what you want to do now is search up percentage at data percentage. And then once you do that, there should be a file called roaming, so you're going to want to click on that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go down, find a folder called .minecraft. Once you do that, you're going to want to click on .minecraft. Then there should be a mods folder. For me, guys, there was no mods folder. If that's the case, just make a folder called mods. But in my case, there's no mods folder. But guys, don't worry. If you don't have a folder called mods in there, just make one. Just create a folder, call it mods or whatever you want. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Just, if it's not in there, just make a mods folder. Okay, so once you're done that, just click in it. Then you're going to want to drag and drop the mod that you installed into your folder, okay? Just drag and drop the mod. And basically, I think you're done. Just gotta load up Minecraft. Yep, just gonna load up Minecraft. And since it's taken 20 years, I could go into like a 20-year sleep and it still wouldn't be finished. Okay, there we go, guys. So, yeah. Just gotta. So what you're gonna want to do though is you're gonna go into that tab there, and you should see a thing called Forge. What you're gonna want to do though, guys, is you're gonna want to click on the thing called Forge. Then you're gonna want to press play. Okay, you're just gonna press Forge and then press play. Yeah, guys, and that's your Forge world. Yes, so then just gotta wait for it to load. And loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Come on. Don't stop now, Minecraft. Come on, you can do it. Okay, it's doing it, it's doing it. So guys, yeah, I hope you really like this tutorial because I just want to make a tutorial for you guys on how to install mods because it's not that hard as many people think. Yeah, it's not that hard, guys. Many people think it's hard, but it's not really. Like, all you have to do is just those simple steps that I showed you. So yeah, just if you do those steps, it will be fine. Okay, guys, so sorry I didn't talk for a couple seconds fast, guys. So now it's just gonna say constructing mods. Well, in my case, mod, because I only installed one mod, but yeah. So it just should say that. Oh no, guys, it's not responding. Sorry, guys. It's just, yeah. But guys, the next video, guys, is gonna be just some footage of me playing the mod I'm using called Mythical Creatures, guys. That's gonna be in my next video, just me playing the mod, because guys, it's really cool. It is just like Horror Spawn, but it has a lot more bigger bosses, and it even has like Spikezilla, which I guess is kind of like the Mobzilla of Mythical Creatures, I guess, guys. So now it should just be loading, guys. Yep, and it says Mythical Creatures mod. So if it doesn't say the title of your mod, like Lucky Blocks or Mythical Creatures, then it probably hasn't installed. But you should check in the mods folder. It should say. Then yeah, I'm gonna create a world, but it's just for next time, guys, because yeah, I don't know if I got enough time. I might have enough time now. So yeah, guys, I hope you like that tutorial. Yeah, guys, I really hope you like this tutorial, and yeah, that is how you can that is how you can install mods to Minecraft. So I hope you enjoyed, and bye, guys.